So now, pag-usapan natin yung background ni General Trias. So si General Trias is isa sa pinaka nag-excel yung economy or isa sa pinakamayamang lugar na makikita mo dito sa Cavite. And as of 2023, yung population niya is umabot ng almost 460,000. Di ba ganun kalaki yung population ng Gentry, and siguro sa pagpapatuloy ng taon, mas madadagdagan pa siya ng madadagdagan. Yun, isa din sa na-observe ko kasi lagi ako nadaan sa Gentry pag papasok and pauwi ako ng school. Ayun, parang napansin ko na sobrang init sa Gentry since ang dami dong malls, commercial buildings, etc. And medyo maliit na yung mga spaces niya or mga lugar na mapuno. I think that's why sobrang init sa Gentry ngayon. Na ganun, syempre, parang may positive din doon kasi ganun din kainit yung economy nila. Ganun sila kayaman compare sa ibang lugar sa Cavite. And si Gentry din kasi is malapit siya sa Tagaytay. So yun, random facts lang. So si General Trias kasi is general siya nung panahon ni Emilio Aguinaldo. Specifically nung panahon ng digmaan ng mga Pilipino and Amerikano. So si General Trias yung pinakaunang provincial governor ng Cavite nung pananakop ng mga Amerikano.
Good day everyone, I am Lian Andre Valderay and today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home, temperature and its impact on our well-being. Especially, we'll be focusing on the transition from September to October in the beautiful town of General Trias. As we transition from September to October in General Trias, we observed a sudden adjustment in average high temperatures. It's fascinating to note that we're still experiencing a tropical climate with average high temperature setting at 3.2 degrees Celsius. A slight change from the previous month's 30 degrees. The evening remained comfortably warm with an average low of 24.8 degrees Celsius. Now, let's talk about something that goes beyond where temperature the heat index in October. General Trias is expected to experience a heat index appraised at a very hot 39 degrees Celsius. This metric is more than just a number. It serves a crucial indicator to potential hazard. And what are the factors influencing the heat index? Data suggests that the heat index is particularly sensitive to the environment. It's calculated for areas in shade and with a light wind. Interestingly, direct sunlight can significantly impact the heat index, potentially augmenting it by 15 Fahrenheit, or if we convert it in Celsius, it may equal to 8 Celsius degrees. And before we proceed, let's understand how the heat index is calculated. It is not just about the air temperature. We factor in the relative humidity, giving us the felt air temperature, or feels like one's impression of the weather is influenced by various factors such as metabolic variations, pregnancy, and activity levels. So, what are the importance of heat index for children? Heat index values are a particular significance for children. Their understand of the need to recuperate and rehydrate may not be fully developed, and thirst, unfortunately, is a delayed symptom of dehydration. Hence, it becomes vital to ensure proper hydration, especially during ongoing physical activities. And what are the body's response to high temperature? Now, let's explore how our bodies responds to high temperature. As the mercury rises, our bodies initiate perspiration, using the evaporation of sweat to regulate temperature. However, an increase in relative humidity slows down this process. impacting the body's cooling mechanism and intensifying the perception of heat. In conclusion, the interplay between temperature and the heat index is complex yet crucial for our comfort and safety. As we navigate October in General Trias, let's be mindful of these factors and take the necessary steps to stay safe and healthy. And that's my present in about heat index in General Trias, and thank you for listening and God bless.
Precipitation in General Trias, Cavite, Philippines. What is precipitation? Precipitation is any liquid or frozen water that forms in the atmosphere and falls back to the earth. It comes in any form like rain, sleets, and snows. Along with the evaporation, condensation, precipitation is one of the three major parts of the global water cycle. In General Trias, Philippines, a wet day is one in at least 0.04 inches of precipitation. The weather season lasts from May 23 to December 7 with over 40% chance of rain. August has the most wet days, averaging 20.8. The drier season spans December 7 to May 23 with the March having the fewest wet days, averaging 3.7. Rain alone is the most common precipitation, peaking at 69% probability on August 12.
So let's talk about wind in General Trias, Cavite. In General Trias, Cavite, the wind speed and direction change throughout the day and the year, and not as universally as predictable. This diagram for General Trias shows the days per month during which the wind reaches certain speed. An interesting example is the Tibetan Plateau, where the monsoon creates steady strong winds from December to April and calm winds from June to October. For General Trias, shows how many hours per year the wind blows from the indicated direction. For example, wind is blowing from south to west, to north to east.
I will discuss the average temperature in General Trias. The hot season lasts for 1.6 months, from April 7 to May 26, with an average daily high temperature above 91 degrees Fahrenheit. The hottest month of the year in General Trias is May, with an average high of 92 degrees Fahrenheit and low of 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold season lasts for 2.4 months from November 28 to February 12, with an average daily high temperature below 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The coldest month of the year in General Trias is January, with an average low of 76 degrees Fahrenheit and high of 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The daily average high temperature is the red line, where the blue line is the low temperature, with 25th to 75th and 10th to 90th percentile bands. The thin dotted lines are the corresponding average perceived temperature.